In this video, you'll understand and learn how to organize your client relationships effectively using TaxDome's account structure. Every feature in TaxDome's CRM works together to retain and gain clients easily. Let's begin with accounts. They represent either a business or an individual. They are the entities you serve and invoice. After you have created an account, you can link the contacts as needed. An account can be associated with one or more contacts. For example, you would create an account for ABC Consulting as the primary client entity. When you open an account, go to the Info tab. Under Contacts, you'll find all individuals associated with this account. To add more contacts to an account, click Add Contacts on the right side of the screen. For the account ABC Consulting, you might add contacts like Jane Doe, the CEO, and John Smith, the accountant, both of whom are linked to the ABC Consulting account. One contact can also be linked to many accounts. For instance, John may be a contact linked to his personal, family, and business accounts. When preparing a tax return for spouses with different accounts, you may want to check something in the spouse's account. You can check related accounts in the Linked Accounts section. To practice, start by creating a test account. This is a safe way to explore features without impacting actual client data. Here's how to set it up. Log into TaxDome and open the Client section from the sidebar. Click New Account to set up a new client account. Let's name it John Doe's Construction. Since this is a company, we will choose this option. Next, click Continue. Add a new contact. Enter the test contact's name, for example, John Doe Test, and a non-work email address to avoid mixing personal data with actual client communications. Now, decide whether or not to enable these three toggles. The Login toggle enables your test client to access the client portal. Notify sends email notifications to the contact for updates, and Email Sync pulls previous email conversations with this contact into TaxDome for a complete record. Once you've entered the necessary details and toggled options, click Create Account to finalize. Now check your test email, where you should have received an activation email with an activation button. Click on the activation link in the email, which will redirect you to the client portal. Set up a password for access to the client portal. Switch back to your firm account. Go to Clients and Press Accounts to view your test account here on the list. The account ID color indicates its status. Green means it can access the portal. Orange means it doesn't.